So for shop lights, I purchased these Harbor Freight Braun tube lamps. They're 10,000 lumens a piece. I've got 12 of them for 12,500 total lumens, and I kind of mounted them hanging up real nice. I had to fashion my own little plate for them for the circuit, and I basically drilled a hole in a plate, put a rubber grommet in it, and it worked really awesome. So, let's turn on some lights. Yeah, pretty happy. A lot of work, but a lot of light. I thought about doing spray foam insulation, and then I got this quote, and they wanted $46,000, and then with discounts, they wanted $33,000. $33,000 for spray foam insulation. So yeah, that's not happening. I'm doing bats. In order to do the bats, I've got to build some framing support. This is the main utility room. I'm going to put 16 on center there for the 16 on center bats up there. I'll do 24 center bats downstairs, and then I'll do full bats all the way around the barn. For the downstairs bathroom, I built this insulation wall just to hold insulation. That's all it's doing, and I put a vapor barrier in. Used a little stapler and kind of built it on the ground and then stood it up. And I screwed it in with these big long screws. So, I screwed up. If you recall, when I was doing the electrical, all the electrical wiring right here, I put it all in with hammer and staples all the way around the entire barn. See all the way over there? And then on the faces, you'll see the wire is stapled all the way around to the face of my, I just forgot the name of these things. Purlins, I think. Anyway, so I put it in, and yay, I'm super happy. It's in there and it works and I can see it. The problem with it being here is when I put the mineral wool bat insulation in place, it has to be anchored, okay? If I was just mineral wool bat, just, between 24 on center studs or 16 on center studs, it would hold itself up. But this is 8 feet between here and here. So how do you heck you hold it up? Well, you hold it up with a screw with a big old plastic washer about that big, about 2 inches around. And that goes through the mineral bat and screws into this. Well, guess what? If this wire is on the face, there's always a chance that I'm going to run a screw into the wire and cause a short. So what I have to do now is I have to go around to every single one of these wires, and I got to pull all these staples, and then I have to re-staple them on top like that. So giant pain in the butt. Wonderful learning experience though. I'll never staple to the face again. So that's one of those learning lessons that a professional electrician would have known and a do-it-yourselfer like myself did not. So hard lesson learned, but I've learned it well. So anyway, that's where I'm at. Pulling staples today. All right, so I've got just about all the wire redone, either on top of the, like up there, you can't see it, but there's a wire on top of that one. Or I've channeled it, so the wire's just loose, but in a channel, so that it's protected from the screws. Got a couple left, like over there by the door. That one still needs to be moved up, but we're good. and then I need to staple that one back on top. But I've got all the all the stuff that was on the faces has been pulled off. So I've got that area to finish there, and there to finish there, and then it's effectively ready for insulation. So yeah. After I fixed my screw up with the electrical, I went ahead and finished the upstairs utility room framing for the insulation. So this is what it looks like. Pretty much ready for insulation.